High above the clouds, a silent assassin locks onto its target. In a split second, it dives, faster than any creature alive. This is the Peregrine Falcon, capable of diving at over 300 kilometers per hour. It's not just speed, it's precision-guided power. With sharp vision and perfect aerodynamics, it strikes mid-air with enough force to kill instantly. Special nostrils regulate airflow, and its body is built to withstand G-forces, making this kamikaze dive a biological missile. It's nature's most extreme dive, silent, sudden, and unstoppable. Next episode, how do birds of prey carefully choose their victims? You'll be amazed by their intelligence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-flying animal secrets.